Remember, when solving equations, the whole point is to get the variable by itself on one side of the equal sign. In order to do that, we need to cancel the other values away from where the variable is. Okay, I like to use SAMDIB, which is BIDMAS backwards. This gives me the order in which I should be cancelling from each side. So let's start with this one. If I'm subtracting 5 from this side, I'm going to add 5 to cancel it. But because of the equal sign, what I do to one side, I must do to the other. You might show you're working out a little bit differently to me. That doesn't matter, so long as you're actually showing working. Okay, remember if two things are touching, it means they're being multiplied. So I'm going to divide by 3 to cancel from that side. And I'm left with x equals 4. Let's take a look at the next one now. Once again, I'm going to minus 5 first. Okay. 3x over 2 equals 3. Multiply by 2 next. And then finally divide both sides by 3. Okay. X equals 2. All right, let's step it up a little bit now. So let's take a look at this one. A lot of people get tricked on something like this. So even though there is an addition, which you think you would do before the division, what you need to remember is that if it's all being divided by 2, we can almost pretend like there are brackets around these terms, which means that we do the brackets last and we're going to do the division first. So to cancel the 2 from this side, I'm going to multiply both sides by 2, and I'm left with 3x plus 5 equals 20. You notice now that I got rid of the brackets? That's because I don't actually need them anymore. The part that needed to be done last is now correct. Okay, and now I just solve as normal. So once again, all the same as before, x equals 5. Okay, so for part D, now we've got brackets. What a lot of people do is they expand the brackets and collect like terms. Now that's not wrong, but sometimes you'll just be giving yourself extra work, especially if I'm going by SAMDIB. SAMDIB tells me do the brackets last. So when I work this out, I'm not going to expand my brackets, okay, until the very end. So now I'm left with 4 outside of x minus 2 equals 12. Once again, remember if two things are touching, it means to multiply. So now I'm going to divide both sides by 4. X minus 2 equals 3. And you see now that the brackets, the part in brackets, has been done last. X equals 5. Okay? Okay, final one, we'll step it up one more notch.